All right, so here we have question number 2 from the same paper, May June 2021, paper 33. The question is saying that solve the equation 4 raised to the power x is equals to 3 plus 4 raised to the power minus x. Give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. This is for 5 marks. Okay, so what we can do, we can rewrite this equation in this form: 4 raised to the power x is equals to 3 plus 1 over 4 raised to the power x. Now what we can do is make a substitution over here. Let's say y equals 4 raised to the power x. So the equation would be something like this in terms of y, that y is equals to 3 plus 1 over y. So now what we can do is take the LCM over here. Okay, and 3y plus 1 completely over y is equals to y. So y is then multiplied on the right hand side, on the left hand side of the equation. So this becomes y square equals 3y plus 1. So now we have a quadratic equation in terms of y, which is y square minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, which we can solve now. So y is equal to minus 3 plus minus under root minus 3 the whole thing square minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 and then divided by 2 times 1. So y is equals to 3 plus minus 9 minus 4 times 1 times minus 1. This is under root of 13. And then it is divided by 2. So you have two possible values of y. Y is either equals to 3 plus under root of 13 divided by 2, which is 3.3027. So 3.3028. 3.3028, or y is equals to 3 minus under root of 13 and then divided by 2. This is minus 0.3028, minus 0.3028. Okay, but these are the solutions of y, but the requirement actually is to find out the values of x. Okay, so since we have made the substitution, so 4 raised to the power x was equals to y, right? So y is equals to either 3.3028 or y is equals to minus 0.3028. So we can say that 4 raised to the power x is either equals to 3.3028 or 4 raised to the power x is equals to minus 0.3028. So if we take ln on both sides, because obviously we have to make x the subject of the equation over here, and for that purpose we need to introduce ln on both sides, the power law of logarithms. So take ln on both sides. So ln 4 raised to the power x is equals to ln 3.3028. So according to the power law, this x will be multiplied over here. So x ln 4 is equals to ln 3.3028, and therefore x will be equals to ln 3.3028 divided by ln 4. And you need to give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. So ln 3.3028 divided by ln 4, this is 0.862, and as far as 4 raised to the power x is equals to minus 0.3028 is concerned, so you will have no solution to this equation because this is a negative term. So in the ln function, this term a is supposed to be positive in order to be ln a to be defined. I mean, this cannot be defined over here. If you take ln on both sides, there will be no solution to this. Therefore, you will just mention no solution. The term in the ln function is actually supposed to be greater than 0, because ln 0 is itself also undefined. So if I say a form is ln a, so this a is supposed to be greater than 0 always. Therefore, no solution to this. And the final answer is supposed to be x is equals to 0.862 only. So this was question number 2 of May, June 2021, paper 33.